Hi, welcome to our next session. In the previous video of this chapter, we have seen what is acid and types of acids. What is acid? Acid is a substance which is sour tasting and acidic in nature. And what were the types of the acids? There were two types we learnt, that are natural acids and artificial acids. Now in this video, we will see what is base and what are the indicators. Base is what? It is a substance which is bitter to taste and soapy to touch. Means if we rub its solution between our fingers, we feel soapy or slippy. To touch. Bases are alkaline in nature or basic in nature. Basic or alkaline, both are one and same. Now the types of bases. Some bases, they occur as edible substances. And some other bases, they occur as non-edible substances. For example, edible substances which are basic in nature are banana, almonds, blueberries, garlic, red and green chilies, etc. These all are basic or alkaline in nature. Next come to non-edible substances which are basic in nature. Those are sodium hydroxide. Its symbol is NaOH and its name is sodium hydroxide. Next is calcium hydroxide. Its formula is CaOH taken twice. Its name is calcium hydroxide. These non-edible basic substances are synthesized in laboratories and these are harmful. Next, some bases are there. They are synthesized in the laboratories only, but they can be consumed. Means they are not harmful. What are the examples for that substances? That are NaHCO3, that is known as baking soda. Its name is sodium bicarbonate. And I am having that sodium bicarbonate now. You can see here. See, this is the baking soda or eating soda. We will find it in the supermarkets. This is baking soda, which is known as eating soda. We will get in the kirana shops and in the supermarkets also. This is used in cooking. Next example, that is magnesium hydroxide, MgOH taken twice. This is also known as milk of magnesia and it is used as an antacid. Antacid syrups will be there. In that syrups, magnesium hydroxide is used, so it can be consumed. Next, let us come to the classification of bases based on the concentration. Based on the concentration, the bases are two types. They are, number one is concentrated bases. The second one is diluted bases. Now, what is concentrated base? Means it will not contain any water in it. Means it is pure. It is not dissolved in water. Then what about diluted bases? The bases, if they are dissolved in water, they are known as the diluted bases. Okay. So far what we have learnt? Water bases we have learnt. And the types of bases also we have learnt. Now we will see what are indicators. Can we taste all the substances? No. Why? Because they may harm us. Some substances may be harmful. That is the reason we should never taste the substances. So then how to find the nature of the substances then? By using some special substances. Then how to find the nature of the substances without tasting? That is by using some special substances that are called as indicators. Why we are calling as special? Special because these substances which can act as indicators, they show different colors in presence of acids and bases. By that color variation in presence of acidic and basic substances, we can use these substances as the indicators or to find the nature of the substances. Now let us define the indicators. Indicators are what now? Some special substances which are used to find the nature of the substances, whether they are acidic or basic, are known as indicators. Now let us come to the classification of indicators. There are two types of indicators. They are, number one is natural indicators. The other one is synthetic indicators. Natural indicators, they occur in nature, and whereas synthetic indicators, they are synthesized in the laboratories. Then examples for natural indicators are turmeric, litmus, China rose, red cabbage. Now I want to show you all this. This is the turmeric, which will be available in our kitchens and which is used in the cooking, and it is needed for our health. It is antibiotic. Next widely used natural indicator is litmus. Litmus is available as solution and also as paper strip. See, the paper strips will be of two colors. This is blue litmus and this is red litmus. Next is China rose. This is also used. This solution is used as the natural indicator. This is the China rose flower. This is also known as hibiscus. Its solution is also used as a natural indicator. Now let us see the other natural indicator, that is red cabbage. See, this is the red cabbage. This red cabbage is used to know the nature of the substances. From this red cabbage, we have to crush it and make it into solution. Then we have to use that solution to find out the nature of the substances. Okay. Now let us know about the synthetic indicators. Synthetic indicators, these are synthesized in labs, and examples for these synthetic indicators are phenolphthalein, methyl orange. So in this video, part 2 video of chapter 5 class 7th, what we have learned, that is what are bases and types of bases, and also what are indicators and types of indicators. And in the next part 3 video, what we will be going to learn, how the color changes. In of litmus, turmeric, China rose, and also of red cabbage. This we will see in the next video. Okay, thank you all of you. Bye.